live my life in expectation. Therefore, guess what? He gives me what I expect. I expect a life of abundance.
Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Audrey Hepburn was more than just a glamorous movie star. She was also a wise and inspiring woman who believed in the power of positive thinking. One of her most famous quotes is, "Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible." This phrase captures the essence of her philosophy and has become a motto for many people who strive to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. The power of positive thinking is a well-known concept in psychology and self-help literature. It refers to the idea that our thoughts and attitude can have a profound impact on our ability to achieve our goals. When we believe that something is possible, we are more likely to put in the effort and determination needed to make it happen. By pointing out that the word impossible itself contains the word possible, she reminds us that anything is possible if we believe it is. This is a powerful reminder to always keep an open mind and a positive attitude. No matter how difficult a challenge may seem, our thoughts and beliefs can become self-fulfilling prophecies, helping us to create the reality we want for ourselves. One of the most inspiring things about Audrey Hepburn's quote is that it is not just a platitude. It is backed up by countless examples of impossible things becoming possible. Throughout history, people have overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges and achieved incredible feats simply by believing that they were possible. For instance, when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon in 1969, they accomplished something that many people thought was impossible. But they never lost faith, and their determination and perseverance paid off in a monumental achievement. Similarly, when the first heart transplant was performed in 1967, many people thought it was a reckless and dangerous idea. But the doctors and surgeons who performed the operation believed in the potential of medical science, and their belief helped them to overcome the technical and ethical challenges involved. These examples shows that nothing is truly impossible as long as we believe in ourselves and our abilities. In addition to the power of positive thinking, Audrey Hepburn's quote also highlights the importance of perseverance. Perseverance is the quality of continuing the work towards a goal despite challenges, setbacks, and obstacles. It is the ability to keep going when things get tough and to never give up on our dreams. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible, is a powerful reminder of the power of positive thinking and perseverance. Thank you so much.